Over the past century, drill presses for the consumer market really haven't seen that much breakthrough innovation. That is, until now. Nova's all-new 18-inch Voyager drill press with an intelligent digital variable reluctance motor is about to change the way woodworkers, DIYers, and makers of all sorts think about what a drill press can do. It's a feature-rich, all-purpose machine. Nova equips Voyager with a 1 3/4 horsepower DVR motor. It has no wire windings, brushes, magnets, or electrical connections to moving parts, so there's little that can develop heat during use or wear out over time. It's been a proven platform on Nova's wood lathes for many years. But what's even more innovative is this motor is controlled by an onboard programmable computer with a touchscreen interface. And the computer is what unlocks Voyager's many useful and practical functions. For one, the computer gives the motor digitally controlled electronic variable speed over an impressive speed range. From 50 RPM all the way up to 5,500 RPM, and you can change speed instantly just by turning a dial. And unlike other conventional drill presses, there are no pulley clusters or drive belts to change here. With DVR, that old-fashioned mechanical technology is obsolete, and so is the vibration that often goes with it. Just try this little nickel test on top of your drill press. And you'll understand how smooth running Voyager really is. And the computer constantly monitors the motor's performance. Even on the toughest drilling jobs, Voyager's CPU will make sure that the motor receives the precise power it needs to deliver constant torque for the speed you've set. It analyzes motor efficiency hundreds of times per second. No other consumer drill press does that. And if you've ever wondered what speeds you need to set your drill press to for the bit and job at hand, like this fly cutter, with an ordinary drill press, it's guesswork. But Voyager is programmed to make speed selection easy. To set drilling speed, just select the speed chart icon on Voyager's picture menu and choose from 12 different drill bits. There's twist bit, brad point, bullet pilot point, Forstner bit, glass and tile bit, hole saw, spade bit with spurs, countersink, shear cut countersink, power bore bits, and circle cutters. Now select the size of the bit and the material you're drilling into. Confirm this with the computer, and Voyager sets the correct speed you need for the bit and job at hand. There's no need to guess. Want to drill accurate depth holes? Who doesn't? But with an ordinary drill press, even that can be a hit or miss proposition using this threaded rod and stop system. Voyager's got one if you want to do it the old way, but computer accuracy can help you here too. Just toggle over to the user set depth icon and tell Voyager how deep of a hole you want to drill. Then lower the bit to the drilling surface and zero it out on the home screen. This registers the surface of the hole. Voyager now knows precisely how deep this hole needs to be, so you can start drilling. As you drill, Voyager will start to beep when you begin to get close. And once you reach your preset depth, it stops automatically. With this user set depth feature, you can't over-drill or under-drill. You'll get perfect hole depths every time. Voyager can also be set to reverse direction at the bottom of a hole to help clear the debris. It can operate in forward or reverse depending on your drilling, drum sanding, or polishing application. And you can even set this machine to start spinning automatically every time you pull the quill handle. The self-start option is ideal for repetitive drilling operations. No need to use the on-off switch for every hole. And if you've ever been frustrated with bits that tend to wander when you're trying to drill pilot holes, particularly on hard, round, or irregular surfaces, Voyager can help you drill pilot holes too. Just select the pilot hole setting in the machine's advanced modes. Voyager dials down the bit speed so that the bit's tip has a chance to engage in the material. When it does, the motor ramps up to your preset drilling speed to bore the clearance hole. You'll get the pilot hole you need exactly where you want it. You can even program Voyager to save 4 of your favorite speed settings for the bits and accessories you use most often, so they're ready to go just by pushing the right F button on the display. For other standard features, Voyager offers a full 6 inches of quill travel in just 2 revolutions of the quill handle, and it has a quill lock. It's also got a spacious 16.5-inch square cast iron table. And while it might look like a woodworking drill press, with all of these standard computerized features, it's not just for woodworkers. Whatever projects you're into, and whatever you need to drill, sand, or buff, Nova's Voyager drill press has the capacity, build quality, and most of all, computer-controlled intelligence to help you get the job done quickly, smoothly, and effectively. It's truly an all-purpose machine. Nova's new Voyager 18-inch DVR drill press is designed to transform the way we think about drilling. And as Nova promises, it's a smart tool with powerful solutions. Learn more about it at novatoolsusa.com or by visiting a Nova Tools dealer near you.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.